There are a couple little details that are very important to include in your theme before going any further. They're both built-in functions, and we need to put them in the header and the footer. And I kind of found out about this the hard way, but some of the plugins that we try to install won't work unless we put this in there. The other thing we need to do is we need to set a doc type for our theme. So let's go ahead and take care of this now before going any further. I'm grabbing the code from a different theme that I made. This line doctype HTML I need to put in my header because Internet Explorer needs to see it to be able to render it correctly. The other bit of code that I need is code that function that will make plugins work, and it's this line of code right here, this PHP WP footer. I'm getting it from another theme. I'm going to put it in my footer.php file, just this little line of code right here, right inside the footer div. And there's a corresponding head one that goes in the header div, so I'll go ahead and put that inside of, I will put it inside, I can just set it right, put it inside my head tag and change this to head. It's really not going to make much visible difference until we start trying to run plugins, and then it'll make a big difference. So let's go ahead and upload those changes. Okay. And what that did is it made the WordPress bar show up, and that would go away if you're not logged into WordPress, but since I'm logged into WordPress and working on a theme at the same time, it shows up. So I pretty much have the index.php file the way I want it to look. My theme is pretty well established. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a screenshot of this, and I'm going to paste it into Photoshop. I have a little file here called where is it? And I grabbed this from another theme. Where it's in my images folder, screenshot.png. You see this is the screenshot of the 2015 theme, and I'm going to put a picture of my theme over it, shrink it down a bit, shrink it down quite a bit, it's huge, and still needs to be shrunk quite a bit. Okay, now we're going too far. And looks pretty good. Oh, a little bit smaller. Okay. And I'm going to crop it. Image crop, and I will save it. Save as screenshot.png. Oh, I think let's just flatten it. It saved it. Wanted to save it as a copy, so I'm just going to flatten it and save it over the current file. So now that I have screenshot, it is in my interface designs folder in the images. Here it is right here. I'm going to take it and put it into my theme files right there. So now it's sitting here with the theme files I've been working with, and all I'm going to do is upload it. And then when I go into my dashboard and I look at my themes, let's hit refresh, and it's not showing up. Why not? It is simply, let's see, I think I might have put it in the, oh, it didn't want to upload it. Let's try logging in again. File, recent connection. I think I have to quit fetch. Sometimes my fetch does this. So let's restart fetch and go into my server. I'm writing my theme files, upload my screenshot.png file, make sure it gets there. Then when we go to our dashboard and look at our themes, refresh, and it's going to pick it up as a thumbnail. Voila. Okay, nice.